Hello lovers, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do this very easy, and by very I'm not over exaggerating. It's literally the easiest way to do your eyeshadow, and it looks like it was done by a professional. So please sit back, relax, and watch my show. So we're gonna start in a couple of seconds, but if you haven't already, please subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, that's basically it. So what you're gonna need for this video is a bronze palette, like neutrals and golds and browns and boring colors. So as you can see already, the one eye off camera, so we can just focus on the one eye. So let's start. Okay, so our first step is you're gonna take a little, let's do that again. So our first step is gonna be to take a light brown color, like this one right here, dip your brush into it, and then just apply that to your crease. Little circular motions. And see, it's not too dark, not too overpowering. It's literally perfect. Now we're gonna take a shade a little darker than the one we used previously, and we're gonna use that to darken up the shade. Now you're going to take the brush you put the lighter color on and just blend that out so there's no harsh lines. Just like that. Beautiful! So our next step is we're going to take a little fluffy blending brush like this one, and we're going to dip it into an even darker shade of brown to give this little outer corner shadow, and we're going to dip into that color right there. And we're just gonna pack it on there. And then just start blending it. When that's all packed in there, you're gonna take a bigger fluffy blending brush and you're just gonna blend that sucker out. Whoop. You see how this is all coming together? Now I'm going to take a shimmery color, that one right there. I'm going to just take that with my finger and apply it to the middle of my eyelid. Just like that. And then, again, but not the last time, you're going to take your fluffy blending brush and just blend that together. And now I'm going to just take this little shimmer color and pop that into the corner of my eye. So I'm just going to take a little pencil brush, take that same light shimmer shade and just put that on my brow bone. Pop it. Pop it, look. I'm going to take this little flat blending brush like that. I'm going to dip into a little reddish brownish shade right there. I'm just going to pop that onto my under eyelid. You see, it's eyeshadow for dummies. It's literally that easy. Now I'm just gonna do my little mascara and pop on my lash, and I guess then we're done. Our look is all done. It was so fast, so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time.